Hey YouTube, I'm Different Tone and today I'll be recreating this iconic sound. I started with rustling a bag I found lying around my room and recording it. Then I picked the sounds I liked. Here they are. For the first sound, I tried to create the initial transient of the sound. By automating the pitch and using some frequency shifting, I got this sound. I felt like it needed more, so I layered additional transients. In the clip I used as reference, there seems to be a longer sound after the transient, representing the web making its way out of the hand. So I took a longer bit of me rustling the plastic bag, automated the pitch to go up, and used a frequency shifter to further emphasize the sweeping sound. Then I tried to remake the sound the web makes as it is traveling through the air. I did that by again picking a longer sound I recorded, automating the pitch to go up and down repeatedly, some EQing, frequency shifting, and a whole lot of phaser. Put all this together, add some final touches like EQ, and you'll get this. Thanks for watching.